Hello guys, today I'm making soft cornstarch cookies, or alfajores, filled with dulce de leche. In a mixing bowl, add 200 grams of room temperature butter and 120 grams of powdered sugar. Whip this for around 5 minutes or until the butter turns white and fluffy. Scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure all the butter is whipped. Then add 3 egg yolks and whip again for a minute. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla and whip again for another minute. In another bowl, add 350 grams of flour, 150 grams of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix. And add it to the whipped butter. Mix until it's just incorporated. Then separate the dough into 2 and place each piece in a cling wrap or a plastic bag. Flatten using your hands or a rolling pin until it's 8 to 10 millimeters thick. Then place it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Then cut circles and bake them in a preheated oven on the highest rack for 10 to 12 minutes or until they have a very light golden color underneath. Once they cool, fill them with dulce de leche and dip them in shredded coconut. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.